Are you aware of the silent killers lurking in your everyday meals? The foods that slowly clog your precious vessels and put your heart at risk. It's time to take control of your heart health and lower your cholesterol levels. In this eye-opening video, we're diving deep into the dangers of artery-clogging foods and uncovering the secrets to achieving a healthy heart by lowering cholesterol levels. We'll guide you through a step-by-step process to identify these harmful foods and provide amazing alternatives that promote heart health. First on the list of artery cloggers is processed food. That juicy, irresistible burger or that crispy bacon may taste heavenly, but they come with a high price. These foods are loaded with saturated fats and cholesterol that can build up in your arteries, leading to heart disease. It's time to bid farewell to processed food. Next up, let's talk about fried foods. That satisfying crunch might please your taste buds, but it's wreaking havoc on your arteries. Fried foods are usually cooked in unhealthy oils, soaking them up and making them a double whammy for your heart. Another culprit on our list is sugary treats. That tempting slice of cake or that sugary fizzy drink may give you a temporary sugar rush, but they're silently wreaking havoc on your cardiovascular system. Excessive sugar consumption contributes to high cholesterol levels and increases the risk of heart disease. Now, let's discuss the key to unlocking heart health. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These fiber-packed foods not only help lower your cholesterol, but also provide essential nutrients that support heart health. Additionally, incorporating healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil into your meals can help raise your good cholesterol levels and keep your heart pumping strong. Now let's talk about the drinks that treat clogged arteries and high cholesterol. Number 1, hibiscus tea. Some studies indicate that hibiscus tea helps to lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. Number 2, cranberry juice has cardiovascular benefits, including improving blood cholesterol levels. Number 3, pomegranate juice has antioxidant properties and may help to lower cholesterol and blood pressure. Number 4, oat milk contains beta-glucan, which helps to lower cholesterol levels in the blood. Number 5, chia seeds adding it to smoothies provides omega-3 fatty acids, which have high protective effects. Number 6, green tea contains antioxidants called catechins, which help to lower cholesterol levels in the blood. It is also associated with various cardiovascular benefits. Don't forget the power of regular exercise. Engaging in physical activity gets your heart pumping, strengthens your cardiovascular system, and helps control your cholesterol levels. In closing, it's time to make a change. Ditch those artery cloggers and unlock a healthier heart. By cutting back on processed meats, fried foods, and sugary treats, while incorporating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, you can take control of your heart health. Remember, your heart deserves the best care possible. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.